Are you ready to see what could be the next big thing in smartphones? The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to be a major competitor to the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and it's packed with exciting features. In this video, we'll explore everything from its impressive camera upgrades to its powerful new processor. And if you stick around till the end, we'll share a special tip on how to get the most out of your current Galaxy device. So, let's dive in. The smartphone market is buzzing with excitement as rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be a major competitor to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This rivalry between Samsung and Apple has always driven innovation, pushing both companies to deliver their best. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to bring groundbreaking features that could give it an edge over the iPhone 16 Pro Max. From its advanced camera system to its powerful processor, Samsung is pulling out all the stops to ensure that the S25 Ultra stands out in a crowded market. This competition is great news for consumers as it means more choices and better technology. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to revolutionize smartphone photography with its impressive camera upgrades. The ultra-wide camera is getting a significant boost to 50 megapixels, allowing for stunningly detailed wide-angle shots. Imagine capturing breathtaking landscapes or large group photos with incredible clarity and detail. Additionally, the telephoto camera is rumored to have a higher resolution and larger sensor size, which means better zoom capabilities and improved image quality even in low light. Whether you're zooming in on distant subjects or taking photos in challenging lighting conditions, the S25 Ultra's camera system is designed to deliver exceptional results. The quad camera setup remains, but with enhanced components that promise superior performance. On top of that, advanced software and AI will further enhance imaging capabilities, making every shot look professional. These upgrades position the Galaxy S25 Ultra as a top contender for the best camera phone on the market. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just about its cameras, it's packed with other impressive features that make it a powerhouse. At its core is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, the most powerful processor in the series, ensuring lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or running multiple apps simultaneously, this processor can handle it all with ease. With up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, this device is built to handle even the most demanding applications with ease. This means smoother performance, faster load times, and an overall better user experience. Comfort is also a priority, with rounded corners designed for a better grip and more comfortable handling. This ergonomic design ensures that the phone feels great in your hand even during extended use. Running on Android 15 and One UI 7.1, the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers the latest in operating system and user interface technology, providing a smooth and intuitive user experience. Additionally, its thinner design makes it the slimmest Ultra flagship from Samsung, while a larger display with rounded corners and narrower bezels offers an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, or playing games, the expansive display provides a stunning visual experience. These features collectively make the Galaxy S25 Ultra a formidable competitor in the smartphone market. In summary, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a formidable competitor to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. With its impressive camera upgrades, including a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera and enhanced telephoto capabilities, it's set to redefine smartphone photography. The powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, ensure top-notch performance, while the sleek design and larger display offer both comfort and an immersive viewing experience. Priced competitively, the Galaxy S25 Ultra promises to deliver exceptional value. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned for more updates. As promised, here's a special tip. Make sure to explore all the camera settings on your current Galaxy device to get the best possible photos. Thanks for watching.